Hi guys, how are you all? Now I am present with you and I come after some days later. So sorry, I'm so busy, therefore no attends to you. But I promise of my all friends. Now I am continue my video. Okay, today uh, today I share with you very important topic. You know, my topic is insurance company. It is a today topic is car insurance. Five five is five five easy way to get Chep's car insurance. Buying a car was once being deal in anyone's life, but now that middle class but now that middle class income have grown and loans have become much easier. Buying a car has become like buying a five more things from a supermarket. Any problem? And with the purchase of car comes is issue for car insurance. In that case, it is very important to choose the best car in the budget as well as the right insurance for the car. Now keep planning to buy a car insurance policy for your new car. How do you choose a plan? What the number of position available today is that can be confusing. Motor insurance, auto insurance, also known as car insurance. What minute? Is don't do product is done to protect your vehicles from unforeseen risk. This help to cover against financial loss due to accident after or liability of the third party. When buying a plan, there are some permanents that consumers should consider. Choose a policy from on replicable car insurance companies. Car insurance companies can be the most important in progress processing claims. In order to be a offerable on has to look for the best car insurance policy. Once future a and balance what is the insurance claim processing track record today with the advent of internet, customers can buy car insurance online from home. Comparing an effective car insurance will not only help you get a cheap car insurance policy but will also help you find a quality plan from the top insurance. No claim bonus, short names NCB. A claim bonus is a future that should not be missed. In order to get a chap car insurance policy, any claim bonus is a discount paid by the insurance for not making any claim during the term of the policy. You can earn 50% of any claim bonus each year for not making a claim. And CB customers are also offered to change their car as no claim bonus. Insured declared value, short name IDV. Insured declared value or IDV is the market value of your car. If your vehicle is shortland or has a total damage or damage outside or repair, it will be considered to total damage to the vehicles. In this case, the insurance will pay you that sum insured. This is the insured declared value. It will be considered to total damage to the available to the cause, so the insurance will pay you the sum insurance insured. This is an insured declared value of the car ID. For a cheap car, insurance policy is available to get the declared value of the insurance that is close to the market price. Insurance offer a rank of 5 or 10% to reduce IDB that can be consent that can be chosen by insurance. 5 to 10% to reduce IVD that can be chosen by insurance. Low IDV attract low premium. However, in most causes there are IVD attracts low premium. However, in most causes there are purchase formulas for this. Point 4, discountable. Discountable is the price you're willing to pay the event of an accident or collision. There are two types of examinations: voluntary and compulsory. A voluntary deductible is a amount of this willing to pay to reduce insurance premium. Compulsory deduction is a compulsory contribution when the demand arises. Therefore, you can reduce insurance premium by increasing validity. Thank you all guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Next time we will bring you the video car insurance, health insurance, online insurance. We hope you all definitely watch and subscribe to my channel and stay with me. Thank you for support me. Thank you all guys. Thank you all. If you have any comments on our YouTube channel, or if you have any suggestion, you can come our comment box. You can comment with my comment box. Okay, thank you.